Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Grab 1 lb low moisture mozzarella and cut 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch by 3 inch sticks so they fry evenly. Once cut, set up a 3-bowl station, 1 cup flour, 2 beaten eggs, and 2 cups breadcrumbs. Coat each stick in flour, dip in egg, then press breadcrumbs. Repeat for a double coat immediately. Freeze the coated sticks for 20 to 30 minutes. This step reduces leakage and helps the crust set. It's the single most important early control. Once chilled, choose frying or baking based on texture you want. Frying at 350 degrees F gives the crispiest exterior, while baking at 425 degrees F is cleaner and still tasty. If frying, maintain 2-3 inches of oil and use a thermometer to keep temp steady. Add a few sticks at once without crowding and cook about 4 to 6 seconds per side until golden. If baking, arrange on a sheet, spray, and flip once around 8 minutes. Make sure to monitor color, not just time, to avoid overcooking. You finish by draining on a wire rack for 30 to 60 seconds so oil drops off and the crust stays crisp. Serve immediately with dipping sauce or let cool briefly so the interior firms up a touch. For leftovers, store in a single layer and reheat at 375 degrees F for 4 to 5 minutes to restore texture. If you see cheese leaking, remember the fix. Freeze longer, confirm low moisture cheese, or add a third coating. These adjustments prevent blowouts and keep your sticks intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.